The short I versus the long E. The most common beginner pronunciation mix-up. English in color. Let's go. The short I. I, I, I. The long E. E, E, E. I, E, I, E, I, E. Okay? Here's some examples. It, eat, is, ease, live, leave, bit, beat, ship, sheep, sit, seat, chip, cheap, did, deed. Okay, let's try some sentences, but first review the sounds. A, E, I, O, U, oi, ow, Let's go. He fills up on beans from a tin. He fills up on beans from a tin. He feels up a teen by the bins. He feels up a teen by the bins. She leaves the scene and lives in sin. She leaves the scene and lives in sin. They ship sheep and cheap chips. They ship sheep and cheap chips. His feet fit in the slick, sleek shoes. His feet fit in the slick, sleek shoes. Their kin are still keen to steal. Their kin are still keen to steal. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that. Bye for now.